1. Metabolomics is the scientific study of small molecules, known as metabolites, within cells, tissues, or organisms. 2. It aims to identify and quantify the complete set of metabolites present in a biological sample. 3. Metabolomics provides insights into the metabolic pathways and processes occurring within an organism. 4. It helps understand how metabolites are influenced by genetic and environmental factors. 5. Metabolomics utilizes analytical techniques such as mass spectrometry and nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR, spectroscopy. 6. It can reveal changes in metabolite profiles that occur in response to diseases, drug treatments, or environmental stimuli. 7. Metabolomics plays a crucial role in biomarker discovery, identifying metabolites that can serve as indicators of disease or therapeutic response. 8. It contributes to understanding the relationships between genotype, phenotype, and metabolic traits. 9. Metabolomics is utilized in fields such as personalized medicine, nutrition, and drug development.